Hello, I'm Charles Collins. For more than 30 years, I've been researching, writing, and speaking about life crafting in books, articles, podcasts, and videos. Last year, I was invited to appear on more than 50 podcasts around the world to discuss life crafting and making a masterpiece of your life. Here are a few live, unscripted excerpts from some of those podcasts.
Everything you just described is a framework for what I know myself and millions of other people are craving for. You're hitting right on it, Charles. I'm telling you, I'm a master strategist and I see it.
Life as a craft puts forward the idea that if we are capable all over the world of doing this from our early days up through the rest of our life, why does that have to be focused in on one thing such as our career or vocation? Why can't we take that same principle structure and apply it to everything we do in our lives with the end objective of making a masterpiece of our entire life?
Ooh, I love that. I'm kind of speechless right now.
My mind is racing right now because, okay, my day job is I'm a middle school teacher. And when you said that life curriculum and then listening to your 5 elements, which, by the way, I did download your book on my Kindle, super excited. Can't wait to read through it because I have children as well. And yes, I mean, this topic actually has come up.
Build from the knowledge you've left, and they can stand on the shoulders of giants.
That is
amazing.
Whew, that finished. I mean, standing on the shoulders of giants. That's the legacy phase.
If everyone had the thought process of this and everybody actually practiced this, imagine what the world would be.
In this workshop, you'll understand life crafting is a powerful alternative to living life by trial and error. You will learn to achieve success by design instead of hoping for success by accident. You will know exactly how to make a masterpiece of your life as the end goal of your personal development and professional transformation journey. You will learn to practice life as a well-defined craft, the same way we learn and practice any trade, occupation, or profession. Please join me in the next episode as my guest for a complete overview of life crafting, the system to make a masterpiece of your life. I'll see you in the workshop.